I just need something to hit my shit.
You see the girl in the orange shirt? She invited. Can you see her?
Oh, my gloves. Another day, another daily vlog type shit. Let me change the garbage bag here, yo. Y'all see that shit? It's full as hell. This is the first thing that you're gonna do today, right? Yeah, let me make some coffee real quick. I think it's only 7. I think it's like only 7 a.m. right now, y'all. And yeah, type shit. Oh. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. Truth is the one doesn't leave me, girl. This is a new learning for me, yo. I don't even know that. You can still make coffee with just warm water shit. Oh my god. I just learned that shit yesterday, type shit. Let me put this shit outside, right? You good there? And I still haven't folded my shit. You know, my things that we washed 2 days ago, I still haven't folded that shit. I forgot to fold them yesterday. And today, we're gonna fold that shit later. And later in the afternoon, we're gonna go to my dad's side. Type shit. Damn! What the fuck? What the hell? That was some spaghetti. Ayun lang, sa'yo man. Nakitiyan ako eh. My lola gonna go somewhere, so we're gonna go with her type shit. You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna lie, sa lahat, y'all. Ito na lang ko. Just another late night with my bitch. Damn, sa lahat, y'all. We're here in this municipio of our city, Tarso. The municipio in our city, Tarso. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm just wait for my lola, you know. She need to fix something here, and then yeah, Tarso. I don't know where we're gonna go next, but yeah. I'm a kamakil, alright?
Black na yun. Maganda din naman na Whirlpool. Yung tatak niyan.
Whirlpool din. Okay na yung ganito.
Ayaw mo ng dependent.
Wala na sila eh. Maganda kayo dependent na. Wala. Lahat tigaw para gano'n. Eh, paglasing pa naman ako ginagawa.
Naku po lang. Yung pagkalasing agad
Ito nga pa. Pero pangit to, parang nagkasalamin eh.
yung bakat ng kamay.
Ito talaga. Pinaka lang, initan lang. So, my lola pa na buy me a new microwave, y'all. Because, yeah, y'all know, my microwave in the house, it's not working anymore. So, yeah. She gonna buy me some. And I chose the cheapest shit, girl. You know me. I chose the cheapest shit. I think this is the cheapest. This shit. Not bad though, not bad. I just need something to hit my shit. Yeah, some cheap shit. Type shit. Very good. Now I think I'm gonna eat some real. I don't know where, but yeah, type shit. Damn, they're taking so long. Oh my god, it's almost an hour. After 1 hour of that shit, we just got our little shit. I told you good, you're good. You're good there, you're good. You're good there, twin, you're good there, twin. I'm a salmon right now. My tita gave me some food. So right now I'm on the way to meet the rider, right? Deliver pa. Pa. Magkano po yan?
26 lang.
Ang bigat po ba?
Ganan pa.
Okay, ito. Okay na po kayo?
Okay na po.
Apa, thank you. Apa, ingat pa. Be good, y'all. Be good. My tita just gave me some food. I know y'all wondering why my tita gave me food, right? But yeah, I'ma tell y'all later, right? And the rider so shocked because the fare is only almost 230 pesos. And I gave him 300 pesos. And then I said, that's how I keep the change. Sit there first, right? Look how big this shit is. Right? Damn! Oh my god, this is a lot. What is this? Oh, it's an empty box, right? It's an empty box. Oh no. You can see what's. You can see this. You can see what's in the letter. You can see the shit. That shit. Yeah. It's only Robert. What is this? Damn, this is big as hell. Makipira ba? This is big as hell. That's it. Damn, oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much. then this one too. Thank you so much.
Wow. He said, wow. So if this car died in the middle of the street, it's because we don't have gas, right? Oh my god, it's raining. No. No, no, it's raining. We can't. We need to go to the mall. It's raining. What the fuck? It's raining. No. It's raining. It's raining. Damn. It's raining, yo. It's raining. It's raining. We need to go. We need to go to the mall. Ingat po.
Mga klase ko eh, ang daming doon.
Di pa kagabi. But yeah, right now I'm gonna go to my dad's and then we're gonna do some yapping session type shit. And then yeah. Oh yeah, it's not that dirty though. Not that dirty. This side, this side, this side, this side, this side. That side, that side. What up, twin? So yeah, I'm here in my dad's because today is May 21, y'all. And it is my birthday today. But me, I don't really want to celebrate my birthday, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why. I don't know what's wrong with me type shit. But me, nah, I don't want to celebrate my birthday, y'all. Is it just me or... Yeah, I think it's just me, y'all. That's why I'm just chilling today, y'all. You know, feels like a normal day type shit. Nothing special. And yeah, I just bring my Lola to her house. That's why, yeah, when I come back to my house, I go straight here to my dad's, y'all. But yeah, I just wanna visit my dad today because, yeah, it's my birthday today. The people, when they see the whip, yeah, they all fuck with it, they all smile, and I don't know if it's because of my face card or it's the whip, y'all.
What do y'all think it's the face card or it's the whip? I think it's the face card, y'all. Now I'm just playing, but yeah, type shit. They all fuck with the whip, you know. It's their first time seeing that kind of shit. Yeah, it's because it's a customized type shit, you know what I'm saying? It's a one-of-one type shit. Especially the people here in the cemetery, yeah, when they see me rolling, oh my god. They was like, what the heli? What the heliante? I'ma come back to you later. Before I leave the cemetery, alright? Okay pa? We did it, y'all, we did it! Sorry. Y'all see the girl in the orange shirt? She fighting. Can y'all see her? The girl in the orange shirt? She fine shit. Y'all see? Can y'all see her? I don't know if y'all can see her. But yeah. She look good though. What if I say go up here? Yeah, she look fine. She look fine. And she looking at me. What the hell is she looking, right? Am I tweaking or is she really looking at me? She pop with me? What do y'all think? Y'all think she pop with me? She looking, y'all, she looking. I don't know if y'all can see her, but she really looking. I think she wanna eat me. Oh my god, I'm scared. Nah, I'm just playing, yo. But yeah, she look good though. I don't know if y'all can see her. I should have. Can y'all see her? Let me just click on her. Oh my god. Right now, she's not looking anymore. What if I say, come out there? What if I say to her, what the fuck? That's so awkward. What the fuck? That's a Elris. Yo, that's a Elris. That's an illegal race, but where is she? No, I'm just playing. I'm just scrolling. they really know me type shit. Because how they smile is, oh my god, they really fuck with me heavy. That's why sometimes I don't know, do I know you? Do I know you from somewhere? Oh my god, why is it slowing down? Hey man, so I just got home. But, oh my god, I just clocked this. I literally just clocked this, y'all. Wait, let me show y'all, right? Because y'all know my vlog, I think I'm like 4 days or 5 days ahead. So if y'all see this vlog, it's like, I think 25. It's already May 25 or 26 type shit. You know what I'm saying? And what the hell? And today is my birthday, alright? Today is my birthday. But check this out, y'all. Check this out. Someone commented this on my vlog today, alright? This vlog is like 5 days ago. So, check what the comment is. How do you know it's my birthday? What the fuck? Wait. This shit is crazy. How do you know it's my birthday? What the fuck? How? What the fuck is you? Who you is? Happy birthday, enjoy your day. What the hell? How do you know it's my birthday today? What the fuck? I didn't even say it in that vlog that I'm upload that shit on my birthday type shit, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna keep it the back, y'all. I'm really confused right now, yeah. How they know that it's my birthday today? The hell? So yeah, I just got here in the house. Oh my god. If I let this bitch rest for a sec. You see the plate? You see why I am the one? You see why I am the one? Type shit. It's really a head turner, y'all, when y'all see this because oh my god, it is really a one of fun here in Philippines. Oh my god, they all like, what the hell? What the fuck? What car is that be? What car is that shit? So yeah, that means they really fuck with the Jeep. If y'all know the girl in the orange shirt earlier, you know, the one in the Jeep type shit, y'all can hit me up type shit, you know what I'm saying? So we can talk some, you know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm just trolling, y'all. Yeah, but she really look good though. Yeah, that girl. I fuck with her. The one in orange shirt or orange polo shirt. But I don't know if y'all can see it on my other phone. But yeah, type shit. I hope y'all can see him. So yeah, let me just rest a little bit and then yeah, type shit.
Where your roid at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they capping out shit? Think they just rapping out shit? Where your roid at?